Good morning, Monday. Yes, we are here on a Monday morning at Jessie Clark Fitness. It is time for a full body workout. I hope you guys slept fabulous and caught up on your sleep all weekend. All right, start gathering your supplies. You're gonna need water, coffee, a pair of hand weights, and a mat. Good morning, Dana. There she is. All right, you guys, here's what we're gonna do for today's workout. We've got 4 sections we're gonna go through. Each section has 3 moves. We're gonna do it 3 rounds. This is my favorite format, you guys. Definitely coffee on a Monday. And I've got my Peace Love Lift mug. Cheers to you guys. Andrea's here, Barbara, Dana, Emily. Great to see you guys. There's Anita Arlene. That's okay, Bean. Great to have you with us today. All right, y'all. So again, we've got 4 parts to today's full body workout. We're gonna be doing some combinations. We're gonna be doing some fun planking moves. We will have modifications for everything. If there's something you cannot do, just remember, keep moving, find something you can do, okay? So no pressure there. Like I know we've got half burpees coming up today. Good morning, Christina. Welcome, welcome. If there's something you cannot do, find a modification. All right, let's start with a upper body warm up. Beverly's with us. Good morning, Beverly. Arm swings. All right. Whenever we wake up, we're always a little bit stiff. Our joints are stiff. Good morning, Christina. There's Beverly. All right, there's Michael. Michael's gonna pop in and say good morning. Oh, your t-shirt says
good morning. Peace, love, live. Have a good day, 5 a.m.
All right, off to nursing school. Go get him, babe.
Peace, love, live.
Christina's here. Kimberly, Dana. He's on his way, y'all. He meets his carpool in Bellevue in 30 minutes, and then they drive to Memphis together. It's actually a town called Dyersburg. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of Dyersburg, but it is a small little college there that has the nursing program. Give me some arm circles, you guys. Arm circles. Yes, reverse those circles, go forward. Oh man, my arms are already feeling fatigued. All right, let's do some body weight squats, okay? You're right here, shoulders back, knees forward, body weight squats. That's it. Good morning, Beverly. Good morning, Kimberly. Shoulders back, chin high. There's Keisha Faust. Keisha Faust Liggins. Liggins Faust. Welcome, my friend. Hey, there's Carol. All right, we are doing body weight squats for our warm up. That's it. Stretch out those hips. We're gonna actually go into a hip hinge movement. We're right here, hands back, and hinge it forward. Now, if you don't want to do your hands back here, that is totally fine. You can come around front and hinge those hips and squeeze. That's it. Stretch out those hamstrings. You should feel a stretch all back here. Yes. All right, y'all. We don't have inchworms on the list today. There's Thea. Good morning, Thea. So let's do 3 inchworms. Come to the back of your mat. Here we go, walk it out. 3 inchworms. Walk it back up. That's it. Walk it out, Beverly. 2 out, into a plank, and all the way back up. If you're just joining us, you will need 2 hand weights for today's workout. I'm gonna use my 10-pound weights to start out with. And you can always go heavier, okay? You can always go heavier. We're gonna be doing a deadlift front row. We're gonna be doing a walking squat press. So a weight that you can do presses, curls, and front rows with, okay? All right, let's get started, you guys. If the music gets too loud or too quiet, y'all let me know, okay? Quick sip of water. I mean coffee. Okay, Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna start out with a deadlift into a front row. We've got 12 of these. Toes forward. Let's do it. Deadlift, front row. 2, this is your warm-up set. 3, good morning, Enid. 4, Enid is one of our sponsors today. 5, thank you, Enid. 6, and front row. 7, up. 8, 9, 3 more. 10, deadlift, high row. 11, 1 more. And 12, all the way up. So this next one we have not done in a while. It's a plank pull across. You're gonna set your weights on your mat, almost as if you're gonna do a renegade row. You're gonna go into a plank and pull it across to the opposite foot. Here we go, go down into a plank. Odie, you're all up in my way today. Here we go, go down into a plank and grab one weight, set it by your toes, and set it across. Then come back into plank. Here we go. 1 and 2, up. 3, set it across. 4, into pike. 5, pull it up. 6, pull it across. 7, you're moving those weights around. 8, and down. Get to 12, 9, up. 10, that's it, Dana. 11, 12, 2 more. 13, and 14, and up. All right, sit it back. My quads are definitely sore from yesterday. Hopefully that would make sense. You're grabbing the weight and pulling it across to the opposite foot. Next up, we've got a power jack. So grab a single weight. You're gonna do a jack with your feet and push the weight over your head for 12. Ready? Feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you're down. That is it, you guys. That is the end of your first round. How we doing? Catch your breath. Breathe, Beverly. All right, that's a good little circuit. We're gonna start back at deadlift front rows. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more weights. I'm gonna go from my 10s to my 12s. If you feel like you can go heavier, switch out those weights now. I know I can on the deadlifts. Here we go. Are y'all ready? Second round. Here we go. Deadlift, front row. Emily Johnson. 1, up. 2, up. 3, that's it, Keisha. 4, you got this, Thea. 5, high row. 6, stretch those hamstrings. 7, work those shoulders. 8, 9, 3 more. 10, 11, let's go to 14, 12, 13, and 14, and up. All right, set those to the side. Go ahead and grab 2 of your lighter weights for the plank pull across. All right, Odie has strategically placed himself on my mat, making it difficult for me. All right, go down into a plank. Here we go, y'all. 14, 1, up, 2, back into plank, 3, up, 4, up, 5, you got this, Keisha, 6, and up, 7, keep breathing, 8, 9, and back down, 10, up, 11, woo, 12, 13, 14, bring them back, 15, and 16. All right, those are tough. Not gonna lie, that pull across is not easy. Grab one of your weights for a power jack. Second round, Monday's full body workout. Here we go. Hands right here and push that weight over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Now, if you need a modification on that one, you're gonna do one leg at a time. Do the power jack part, but do singles. All right, y'all. Woo! Ready? Let's go with round 3. Round 3 deadlift high row. I think we can do 15 this round. What do you think? Let's try it, Emily. Here we go. Deadlift down, front row. 2, 2, keep going, Bean. 3, 3, 4. Now we can probably go heavier on this. 5, but we're still warming up. 6, and up. 7, you got it. 8, up. 9, 10, 2 more. 11, last one. 12, let's go to 15. 13, 14, I'm getting sneaky today. 15, I know we've got it in us. All right, set down those weights. Switch it out for your plank pull across. So remember, you go up into a pike in between each one. Ready? I'm just trying to avoid this kitty tail. Here we go, Enid. Go up into a plank. Grab your weight. 1, and back. 2, back. 3, 4, and back. 5, and down. 6, set it on the opposite. 7, pull them up. 8, 9, and back. 10, last 2. 11, keep sweating, and 12. Good job. Breathe, Emily. All right, grab one of those weights. I'm using my 10-pounder for the power jacks. Here we go, Barbara. Let's go for 15, you guys. Feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it down. Breathe. Breathe. All right, set those to the side. Grab a drink. That is the end of round 1, you guys. We're moving on to 3 new movements. This is your second circuit. Each circuit is gonna take about 10 to 12 minutes, okay? Which is perfect timing. You're doing great, Kim. We've got both Danas here today. We've got both Emilys here today. Okay, side squat walking. Now sometimes we'll go 1 and 1. We're gonna go several down and several back. So let's at least go for 2 on this round. And then we're gonna do a half burpee. So start with a light weight. Start at one end. When you're down, you're down. When you're up, you're up. Here we go, let's go down. 1, 2, go back. 3, 4, squat walk. 5, 6, and back. 7, 8, that's halfway. 9, 10, there's Christina. 11, 12, both Christinas. 12, I lost count. 14, 15, 16. I think that's 16. Bring it down. Y'all, I love all of our teams. I just don't think we have Team Andrea here today. We might have one of our Andreas. Andrea Davis, Andrea Perkins, are you guys here? All right, we've got several Keishas here. I think Keisha Bond, Keisha Faust. All right, y'all, half burpees. Do you remember these? Do you remember these? This is where instead of popping all the way up into a burpee, you just come up to like halfway. So let's go right here. Hands on the ground. Pop your legs out, pop it in, and then stand, okay? Everybody got that? Yes? All right, let's go for 8 on these. Hands down. 1, 1, up. 2, 2, up. 3, 3, up. 4, 4, up. 5, 5, up. 6, 6, up. 2 more. 7, 7, up. Last one. 8, 8, up. And all the way up. There's Elizabeth. Good morning, Elizabeth. All right, that was your half burpees. I'm feeling that all in my quads. Here we go, jumping jacks for 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down. I gotta get a towel for my sweat. Whew. Wipe your sweat off. Oh goodness. Good morning, Elizabeth. Huh. She said, I can't hear you somehow. See if you've got your phone or your tablet on mute. I think it's coming through. Let me know if you get it to work, Elizabeth. Mess with the, sometimes my speaker, I don't realize it, is connected to Bluetooth. So my volume's going to my earbuds or something like that. Try that. Here we go. Second round. Go a little bit heavier if you can on the side squat walks. Ready? Grab your weights. Here we go. 1, push. 2, push. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep going, 12, 13, 14, 15, one more, 16, good stuff. I just have to avoid this cat that's planted himself at the end of my mat. There's a cat on the mat. Catch your breath. Half burpees for 8. Remember, pop your feet out, pop it back in. You're only coming up this high. Ready? Hands down. 1, 1, up. 2, 2, up. 3, 3, up. 4, 4, up. 5, 5, up. 6, 6, up. 7, 7, up. 8, 8, up. Oh goodness. Breathe, breathe. Man, those half burpees, twice as hard. All right, jacks. Here's your third movement. Do low jacks if you need to. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I can definitely feel my heart rate coming up. Good morning, Juanita Williams. Dab some of that sweat off, you guys. Woo. And get a quick drink. All right, third and final set coming up. Side squat walking. Now, if you're in an area and you have much more room, just count your own. Go down and back. Our goal is 16. Ready? Here we go. I'm gonna go this way. I have a little bit more room. When you're down, you're down. 1. That's it, Emily. 2, 3, and back. 4, 5, 6, back. 7, press. 8, press. 9, 10, keep going, Bean. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, those are definitely full body. They're good at getting the heart rate up, y'all. A couple of deep breaths. You're doing fabulous, Christina. Chrissy with a C and Chrissy with a K. All right, half burpees. 8 is the perfect number of these. Ready? Let's do this. Hands down, pop your feet out. 1, 1, up. 2, 2, up. 3, 3, up. 4, 4, up. 5, 5, up. 6, 6, up. 7, 7, up. 8, 8, up. Breathe. All right. I did not watch the Oscars last night. I was in bed, asleep. I watched a little bit of the basketball game. So when I wake up this morning to the Instagram headline is Will Smith smacks Chris Rock, I'm like, really? Then wins Oscar. I watched it back. It looked like it was staged. So I want to see if you guys have any opinions, any strong opinions on it. Do your jumping jacks and think about it. 1, 2, was it staged? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I went and watched the video and I watched the joke. I mean, they're all comedians, right? They're all actors. It just felt like maybe he was acting more, unless he spoke on it afterwards. But it looked like a bit gone well. Carol's team, it was staged. I mean, it's Will Smith and what is his name? What is his name? Was it Chris Rock? Is that who was hosting, or was it the little guy? It was real. Okay, not staged, not staged. Okay. Okay, I'll go back and watch it. Not staged. It was Chris Rock. Okay, thank you, thank you. Real. Okay, everybody here is team real. Okay, the ladies have spoken. I'm going to go back and watch it Because again, of course, I only saw like the 10-second clip of when it happened. Real. Okay. Interesting. Thank you for setting me straight, ladies. All right, we're gonna move on to a lateral lunge into a curl, okay? So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go across, lateral, come up into a curl, okay? So now everyone, even if you haven't seen it, we all gotta go back and watch. We'll see if there's any statement that comes out today on it. Here we go. Let's do 8 each side. Here we go, Emily. And 1, 2, 3. It's definitely a way to get people talking. 4, because that seems to be 5. All I see in my memes. 6, curl. 7, curl. 8, and curl. Switch to the other side. Here we go, ready? 8 this way. 1, my knees are a little shaky. 2, and 2, that's it, Dana. 3, 4, 5, 3 more. 6, push off. 7, curl. And 8, and curl. All right, set those down. Now, I forgot to ask for this piece of equipment, but I just now realized if you have a kettlebell handy, grab a kettlebell now. If you don't, no worries. We're gonna do a move we used to do a lot of back at 3P Fitness with Timothy Knott for all my 3P alumni. We're gonna do a back row with a switch hop. So it looks like this. You're gonna row, and then you're gonna switch hop and row. So you're just gonna keep your feet moving at all times. Here we go. 8 each side, 16 total. 1, switch. 2, 3, switch. 4, I'm talking to you, Emily. 5, 6, Christina. 7, Patty. 8, Pamela. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, switch hop, 16, and up. So that's a back row with a switch hop. Now I want you to clear your mat, go down into a crab walk position. So with this one, do you remember the crab walk? You're gonna raise your buns off the ground and tap, okay? Now if you need to take a little break, take a little break, but your total here is gonna be 16, 8 each side. Ready? Go into crab walk and alternating toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, one more, 16, and have a seat. Breathe. Keep breathing. All right, quick sip of coffee, Dana. All right, stand up. We're gonna go back to lateral lunges into a curl, okay? Adjust your weights if you need to go lighter or heavier, okay, y'all? Here we go. Let's start at this side. A lateral that way, curl at the top. Here we go. 1, and curl. 2, curl. 3, curl. 4, that's it. 5, keep going. 6, that's it, Emily. 7, keep going. 8, switch sides. our pets, Emily, definitely think we're playing with them when we get down on the floor. 1, and curl, second side, 2, and curl. Those 3 crab walks were tough. 4, curl, come on knees. 5, that's it, Thea. 6, curl, 2 more. 7, 1 more, and 8, and curl. All right, set those down. Switch it out for your heavier kettlebell. We've got the switch hops. 1 foot out, ready? Keep breathing, you guys. 1, switch hop. 2, switch. 3, 4, 5, that's it, Juanita. 6, you got this. 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway. 11, 12, 13, switch hop. 14, 15, 16, 17, my coordination. 18, switch. 19, switch. 20. Breathe. Sweat is pouring down. There's Joni Koger. She's gonna do the replay today. Joni, I wanted to say thank you for your sponsorship. Thank you. Joni's from Indiana, works out with us every day. We appreciate you, Joan. All right, here we go. Up into a crab walk and toe touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 more, 12, 13, 14, 15, come on arms, 16. Oh man, you can definitely feel that in your triceps. And sweat should be pouring down your face at this point. All right, y'all, stand it up. We've got one more round of your third circuit, and then we're moving on to our finisher round, okay? Hang in there, hang in. Ready? We've got the lateral lunge. Sweat continues to pour. That's a good sign for a Monday. We're sweating off some of those extracurricular calories we consumed this weekend. Here we go. 1, and curl. 2, that's it. 3, you got this. 4, come on, Emily. 5, Team Christina. 6, and curl. 7, curl. 8, and up. Switch it. Second side, 8 on the other side. 1, curl. 2, that's it. 3, and up. 4, keep curling. 5, you got this, Keisha Faust. 6, 7, totally lost the count. And 8, why not? Breathe. Oh man, I really enjoy my Sunday sleep. It's the one day of the week I don't set an alarm. I get to sleep in as late as I want to. No plans on Sunday. I try to do that one day a week. So I especially love that. All I did was run when I felt like it, and then I went and ate Mexican food. That's it. That was my plan yesterday. It was delicious. Here we go. Whoops, let me try that again. And 1, 2, I hope you guys, 3, have one day this weekend. 4, 5, 6, 7, one day. 8, 9, 10, 11, where you do nothing. 12, 13, 14, 15, Emily, 16, and up. We forgot the back row. Here we go, let's go back and do that now. Okay, I have no idea what that song was. I'm glad you like it though. I found a good channel where for the most part, I like all the playlists on here. Here we go, back row switch hops. Let's go for 8 each side. We're gonna go for 2 on each side. Here we go. 1, 2, switch hop. 3, 4, that's it, Elizabeth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, switch. 11, 12, switch. 13, 14, 15, 16, Barbara. 17, 18, keep going. 19, 20, and bring it down. All right, now we are moving on. Oh man, sweat pouring down my face. I hope it's that way for you guys too. All right, here's what's next. Rear lunge into a skip, back flies, and then we're gonna finish with a 180-degree hop. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Lots of sweat. And Keisha had a big weekend. Her sister got engaged. So the whole family has been celebrating all weekend. Keisha, please send out a big hug and congratulations to your sister, Nisi, and her groom, Mr. Thompson. That's right. It's exciting when your sister falls in love and gets engaged. So big hug to your sissy for that. All right, here we go, y'all. Rear lunge into a skip. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna go back with this leg, back into a lunge, skip, okay? Here we go, let's do this. Back, 1, back, 2, 3, 4, skip. 5, push that knee. 6, Anita. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. We did them, to answer your question, we did the crab walk first, then we did the back row. I missed the back row, y'all. Here we go, second leg, lunge. Go back, lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Oh man, my legs are killing me on those back flies. This will probably be the easiest move of this circuit, back flies. Flatten your back. 1, 2, let's go for 12. 3, 4, 5, that's it, Elizabeth. 6, halfway. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Goodness gracious. All right, 180-degree hops. Now, if you can't do the spin, I want you to just do a body weight squat. We've got 12 total, 6 in this direction and 6 in that direction. Ready? You're starting here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Oh, my heart rate is up. All right. I think we have time for one more round, you guys. Rear lunge up into a skip. Here's your starting spot. Feet together, go back. 1, 2, 3, high knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drive that knee. 9, up. 10. My quads. Awesome. She has a trampoline. That is a perfect way to use it, Bean. I love that. Here we go. Sorry, Barbara. I did those in reverse order. Rear lunge. Here we go. Rear lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chin high. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man, definitely my balance was a little shaky on that one. Here we go, back flies. It's those skips that have my heart a-pounding. Here we go, Emily, back flies. 1, 2, now tomorrow's workout, 3 will be all upper body. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on Dana, 9, Jackie, 10, 11, and 12. Set those to the side. All right, y'all, 180-degree hops, or do a body weight squat here, okay? Here we go. I can't stop breathing. We're gonna do 10 and 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Although that breeze feels good when I turn myself around. What I meant to say was I can't catch my breath. Here we go, 10 this way. Finish strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Use your arms. 8, 9, 10. That's it. All right, we are gonna cool down right here with some side to side swings. Yes, you guys did fabulous. All right, tap. Let your heart rate come down slowly. Give me a little bit of a curl. Curl and back flies. We're gonna take just 1 minute because we don't wanna stop suddenly. Reach, reach, reach. That's when we start to get lightheaded. Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Barbara. And reach across. And I love it. Thank you to everyone who received their shirt and sent me pictures. I'm still working on a couple more collages. Reach in front. You guys, today was a burner. Great job, Dana Thomas. Arms up, you are welcome, Bean. And stretch all the way to the floor. Walk it around to the left. So what's funny is that the kids are on spring break this week. They're out of town with their dad. Not to sabotage next weekend. There you go. I think that is a great goal. I'm gonna repeat that. Kimberly said, my goal this week is to work hard and not sabotage on the weekends everything good she did during the week. Thank you, Anita, Emily, Andrea, Juanita. And starting today, I'm gonna start slowly squeezing in my intermittent fasting. I'm gonna start with 12 hours, okay? So 12 may not seem like a lot, but today it might be 6:30 to 6:30, right? So start paying attention to when you have your first meal and when you have your last meal. That way you can have 12 hours of feeding and 12 hours at night of fasting, right? So we're gonna start each day. We may do every 2 days, pulling it down an hour. Today, it's a 12-hour window. If you wanna jump in on us, jump in with us. We would love to have you, Juanita. Keep stretching, you guys. Proud of each one of y'all. Consider the intermittent fasting. You might already be doing that and not even know what it is. So it's, you eat your first meal at, let's say, 6:30 or 7. Finish up your last meal at 6:37, okay? Give it some thought and see how we can help you guys reach your nutrition goals. All right, have a great, great Monday, you guys. We definitely have done the work today, so do not sabotage your efforts, okay? Be your own champion, be your own hype man, okay? I can hype you, your friends can hype you, but you got this, okay? Stay strong. Happy Monday. See you, Thea. Bye, you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.